Hello dear guys, welcome to my channel. Today we bring the interview question. Tell me about a work problem that required a complicated solution and how you worked with your team to resolve it. Dear guys, the company requires some of the most common qualities like problem solving, how you approach teamwork, collaboration, listening, and communication. How to answer to this question? Dear guys, you should explain how you worked with other team members, how you made certain you understood the problem, and how the team personally contributed to the solution. Try answering using the STAR method. STAR is an acronym that stands for Situation, set the scene and give the necessary details. Task, describe what your responsibility was in that situation. Action, explain exactly what steps you took to address it. Result, share what outcomes your actions achieved. Approach in your response, you'll demonstrate focus and have more opportunity to share specific skills. Don't be afraid to share a solution that didn't initially work out. Persistence and follow-up are valued in IT roles, and showing determination in getting past roadblocks is a plus. Your response might be similar to this. Situation: I had a problem with a recent project when a software package didn't work as promised. The program was designed to support our sales team and allow them to collect customer data, track contacts, and place and transfer orders to our warehouse for shipment and billing. After we installed the software, orders weren't getting billed correctly. Task: I was responsible for working directly with our sales team, the outside software vendor, and our accounts receivable personnel to understand how the data was collected and where the problem was. It turned out that the off-the-shelf program didn't capture certain data needed for billing and needed to be customized. Action: I met with each department to learn exactly what they needed. I brought in the outside vendor to add custom data fields to their program to allow for customer billing. My team updated the interface with accounts receivable, sales began to collect additional tax and vendor ID information, and we fixed the problem. Result: we are still using this software package today, and the additional data fields have helped to streamline billing. The time between an order being placed and the company receiving payment has decreased by 50% on average. Okay dear guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.